विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदक प्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुर्नो देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं श्यामः सिद्धिर्भवतु नो सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय नाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपं आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचर विनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथं तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वञ्च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अद्यतन पंचांगम प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शरदृतौ आश्विनी मासे कृष्णपक्षे तृतीया तिथि टिल 5:31 PM स्थिरवासरः। कृत्तिका नक्षत्रम टिल noon, little after noon, 12:23 PM, followed by रोहिणी नक्षत्रम। व्यतिपात योगः till 1:03 PM, followed by Variyan Yoga. Vishti, Bava, Balavakaranam, respectively, till 5:31 PM, 6:51 AM, followed by Balavakaranam. Sarvebhyah Suprabhatam. So, can anyone recap last sarga?
प्रपितामहः राजानम् आश्वासित्वा गंगा योग्यकाले अवतरणं करिष्यति इति आश्वासनं दत्त्वा मरुद्गणा सह सर्वं जगाम।
So Gangamapi Gangam Chabhashya. So he instructs Ganga also. Ganga, you should go now, he instructs. Then he leaves.
For the
correct. So from there we are starting how Bhagiratha finally brings Ganga down and how Ganga flows all the way, takes various phases before she finally reaches the place, and how she becomes several tributaries. So all of that sort of geographical as well as historical details we will get in this sarga. Slightly longer sarga. We have started late. Let's hope we can do as much as we can today. Atha trichatvarimshah sargah.
Atha trichatvarimshah sargah.
Deva deve gate tasmin.
Deva deve gate tasmin.
Songushtagranipiditam.
Songushtagranipiditam.
Kritva vasumatim rama.
Krutva vasumatim rama.
Samvatsaramupasata.
Samvatsaramupasata.
So Devadeve Gate Tasmin, Tasmin Devadeve Gate. We said this is called Sati Saptami.
Sati Saptami. Sati Saptami.
Gamanam. After Devadeva, who is Brahma, after he left, he returned back. Saha means Bhagiratha. Angushtagra Nipiditam Basumatim Kritva. He stood on Angushta, so in the foot, big toe, right? On the tip, Agra is on the tip. So he was standing, if this is the earth, he was standing on the tip like this. Meaning that Angushtagra Nipiditam, by putting all the pressure on just one toe, he stood Kritva Vasumatim on the earth. Rama. He did serve or he did this tapas in that asana, in that sthiti. So it is sort of Tadasana on just the toe tip of his foot. Is my audio clear? Because on this laptop, it keeps saying, oh, low resources. Are you able to hear me without any hear properly?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear.
Very good.
We can hear you, yes.
Very good. So Vasumatim Rama Kritva Samvatsaram Upasata. He did like that for 1 year. Atha Samvatsare Purne.
अथ संवत्सरे पूर्णे
Sarvaloka Namaskritah
सर्वलोकनमस्कृतः
Umapati Pashupati
उमापतिः पशुपति
Raja Namidamabravit.
राजानमिदमब्रवीत्.
After he did like that for 1 year, Umapatihi and the Pashupatihi, he was impressed, and Sarvaloka Namaskritah, of course, saluted by all the worlds, worshipped by all the worlds. Atha Samvatsare Purne, after completion of 1 year of such upasana by Bhagiratha, finally Shiva got impressed, and Rajanam Idam Abravit, he told this to the Raja Bhagiratha. Pritasteham Narasreshta.
Pritasteham Narasreshta.
Karishyami Tava Priyam. Karishyami Tava Priyam.
Karishyami Tava Priyam.
Shirasa Dharayishyami.
Sirasa Dharayishyami.
Shailaraja Sutamaham.
Shailaraja Sutamaham.
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 So Shiva appeared, Paramahashankara appeared, and he said this to Bhagiratha. Pritaha aham te narasreshta. I am pleased, O best of the men. Tava priyam karishyami. I shall do whatever pleases you, whatever is your, whatever are you seeking for. And as Brahma said, Shiva will, help you. So Shirasa Dharayishyami. I shall hold on with my head. Shaila Aham. Anyway, she's also another daughter of Shaila Raja, my father-in-law. All right, I will hold her. I will bear her also. In fact, from this sarga, I'm remembering 2 padyams. We will get later. One called Srinatha. These are Telugu padyams. One which says, for Krishna, for a wealthy, rich guy like Krishna, 16,000 wives, he is worthy of, or he can bear them and take care of them. Shiva, you are an ordinary, fakir, a sannyasi kind of a person, Vairagi. Why? How can you bear the second wife? Leave Ganga now. Enough. You cannot bear her any longer. It says, Paramesha Ganga Vidamu Parvati Chalun is the padyam there. So leave. Why do you want to take? You cannot bear a second lady, Shiva. You are not that strategic, tactical, unlike the rich Krishna, who can manage any number of, wives, says the padyam. So that comes from here, which says, where Shiva is saying, all right, I will take the burden of Ganga also. He's saying, Shirasadharishyami Shailaraja Sutamaham. He anyway took Uma already. Tato Haimavati Jeshtha
Tato Haimavati Jeshtha
Sarva Loka Namaskrita
Sarvaloka Namaskruta
Tada Sati Mahadrupam
Tada Sati Mahadrupam
Krutva Vegam Chadussaham
Krutva Vegancha Dussaham Krutva Vegancha Dussaham
Akashadapatat Drama
Akasha Dapatat Rama
Shive Shiva Shirasis Yuta.
Shive Shiva Siras Yuta.
So Tataha, after that, after Shiva gave this boon, Haimavati, Jeshtha Haimavati, Himavan, Haimavati can be Uma, Haimavati can be Ganga also, because Himavan's daughters are Haimavatis. In fact, my mother-in-law is also Haimavati. So Haimavati Jeshtha Sarvaloka Namaskrita, she is also worshipped by all the worlds. Tada, then Sa Ati Mahadrupam Kritva, she took a very big form. Ati Mahadrupam, very not big, not only big, a very grand form. Rupam Kritva. Vegam is velocity with a force, speed that is unbearable. Imagine, and Akashat Apatat Rama. From Akasha, she started falling with a grand, wide, big, huge form, or what do you call, volume. With such a big volume, if we think of Niagara Fall itself and we think, wow, now imagine Akasha Ganga falling all the way from Akasha. And the gravity, as you know, right, the more deep it falls, the higher the force will be, kinetic energy. So from Akasha, if it is falling, what unbearable speed, velocity, force, sound, and all of that will be. Your video starts from here. Get engaged with this Sarga today and be visual. Start imagining the video that Akasha is falling from there. And then Valmiki in this Sarga becomes a lot more poetic. So he describes a lot more visuals. Akasha Tapatad Rama, Shiva Sirasi Uta. Uta means or. He sort of puts a slightly on, she falls from Akasha in Shiva or in Shiva's head is the question there. So which means Shivam is also, I mean, that's slightly, what do you call, slightly teasing that is he falling in Shiva or Shiva's head? How can it be such a huge fall for us to interpret and analyze here? One, he's saying, is she falling in Shiva or Shiva's head? Shiva is Sarvaloka Vyapta, right? We said because he's Sagirikanana Vyapta, his very Tejas is such. So then he's there, Sarvantaryami. So yeah, it can be falling in Shiva or in Shiva's head. Now I don't remember if I mentioned this or not. When we say Chandrasekhara, for example, Chandrasekhara is a name for Shiva. What does it mean? Immediately we imagine the poet, when you describe it to an artist, the artist imagines and he draws it by putting a moon on his head. Physically, literally, if you also imagine, if somebody has to have moon, which is on the sky like that, if you have to have that moon on his head, here, forehead here, what should be his volume? How big should it be? His head is there, but we are worshipping his feet on the earth. That means such a huge form. That means spread all over, Sarvantaryami. If a poet has to describe Sarvantaryami to an artist, like for police cops and all, you narrate, he has a long nose, Yes, big guys. Then accordingly they will try to draw and finally say, is he that guy? Right? Likewise, our poets, when they describe, our artists have drawn from their understanding and imagination, saying, oh, Shirasi is Chandra Shekharaha, top peak, which is forehead or crown here. So on his crown, the moon is there, and he's sitting on Himalaya Shikhara here. That means he spread so much. That means he's Sarvantaryami. Likewise, Shiva is Sarvantaryami, and so Ganga can, of course, be falling on him. The second meaning here is Shiva can be taken as the adjective. Shivam means pleasing or happiness. Right? Shiva means happiness, and that's why we say, if there is no Shiva, you are a Shava, we say. Shiva, Shava. Shava is corpse, no more life. So if there is no Shiva, then you are Shava, which means Shiva is that life, is that energy, is that active prana, all of that. So Shiva Sirasi. So she was falling on the head of Shiva with all that Shiva, with all that life, with all that energy. Boom, with all that life, energy, jubilance, activeness, she's falling. Interpret it. Achintyachasa Devi.
Achintyachasa Devi.
Ganga Parama Durdhara.
Ganga Parama Durdhara.
Vishamyaham hi patalam.
Vishamyaham hi patalam.
Srotasa Grihya Shankaram.
Srotasa Grihya Shankaram.
So as she was falling, Achintyat, she just thought. She got, it means what? She got a funny idea, thought that, and Parama Durdhara Ganga Devi, Sa Devi, Durdhara, previously he said, Dussaham, right? Vegamina. Where was that? Dussaham. In the fourth sloka itself, right? Vegamcha Dussaham, untolerable. Here Durdhara, unbearable. Durdhara Ganga Sa Devi Achintyat, she thought. What did she think? Vishami aham hi patalam. At this rate, oh, I shall go and enter patala, into the lower world, the lower planes also. Vishamyaham hi patalam srotasa grihya shankaram. I shall take away Shankar also with me. She also, now is, I'm anyway falling on Shankara, but I know I cannot stop here. I'll be further flowing away into Patala. Well, let me take Shankara also with me. Srotasa grihya. Srotas is the flow, the flow of the flowing water body is called Srotas. Srotasa, with my flow, grihya, by taking Shankaram, by taking Shankara with me, I shall take him also along with me on honeymoon, on vacation or whatever, to Patalam. She got that Chilipi idea. Chilipi is what in English? Any Telugu person here knows?
Naughty.
Naughty. She got that naughty idea. Tasya Valepanam Nyatva.
Tasya Valepanam Gnatva.
Kruddhastu Bhagavan Haraha.
Kruddhastu Bhagavan Haraha.
Tiro Bhavayitum Buddhim.
Tiro Bhavayitum Buddhim.
Chakre Trinayanastada.
Chakre Trinayanastada.
So Trinayanaha, because of Ra, immediately Na can become Na. Sha can become Sha, when followed by Ra. So Trinayana is also fine. Trinayana is also fine. Trinayana stada buddhim chakre. He made in response. What? Tirobhavayitum, to counter her. Ganga wants to take me away. Hey, What does she think? I am so weak or what that I will fall and go with her? No. Tasyaha valepanam. Valepanam means her valepanam garvam. Valepanam means garvam. Khelana ichha vriddhim. She was wanting to be playful. So that is called valepanam. Sort of teasing, naughty, and at the same time sort of proudish or bragging kind of attitude is called valepanam. So tasyaha valepanam jnatva. Shiva realized her, this naughty sort of mood. And kruddhaha, Bhagavan Haraha. Bhagavan Hara got kruddha. Kruddha, Shiva is a very serious person, right? He's not like that Padyam comes, you cannot bear them, leave him, leave her. Because he's a very serious person. He's always into tapas and serious person. And that is why he's not tactical, he's not strategic. Even if Rakshasa prays, he gives away boon. Unlike Vishnu never appeared for any Rakshasa. So Bhagavan Haraha Kruddhaha Tiro Bhavayitum Buddhim Chakre. Trinayanaha Hara Bhagavan Haraha Kruddhaha Tasyaha Vilepanam Jnatva Tiro Bhavayitum Buddhim Chakre. That's the Anvaya Vakya. So what did he do? Sa tasmin patita punya.
Sa tasmin patita punya.
Punye rudrasya murdhani.
Punye rudrasya murdhani.
Himavat pratime Rama.
Himavat pratime Rama.
Jata mandala gahvare.
Jata mandala gahvare.
Jata mandala gahvare.
Jata mandala gahvare.
So sa tasmin patita punya. So as she was falling on Shiva's head, rudrasya murdhani. Rudra's murdhani is the crown here, top. Murdhani. Punye rudrasya murdhani, in that divine crown of Shiva, as she was falling there. Himavat pratime Rama jata mandala gahvare. What Shiva did was, he made his jata mandala, his hair lock, jata mandala, it is called. Or a gahvara is like a cave or a valley or a cave. So he made his jata mandalam, his hair lock, such a huge, cone kind of a shape, so that she would fall there. And I mean, what did she think? She thought she will fall on him and take him away to Patala Loka. But he said, hey, come on. And so he made his hair lock as a big container itself, so that she falls there, and is that said. He locked her instead of she taking him away. Some lessons to learn of what is Shiva yoga, what is his non-giving away to temptations. So that is Shiva.
Himalayas Gauvare Kumbhodara said.
Ataiva said Himavat Pratime, resembling the Himalaya caves. Like a copy of Himalaya, he made his Jata Mandala, Jata lock. Sa Kathanchit Mahim Gantum.
Sa Kathanchit Mahim Gantum.
Nashaknodyatnamasthita.
Nashaknodyatnamasthita.
Naiva Nirgamanam Lebhe.
Naiva Nirgamanam Lebhe.
Jata Mandala Mohita.
Jata Mandala Mohita.
Jata Mandala Mohita. So, Sa Kathanchit Mahim Gantum Na Ashaknot Yatnamasthita. What did she originally think? She thought she will directly fall on the Bhumi. From here she will go to Patal Loka. But Shiva locked her in his head, in his Jata Mandala Gahvare. So Kathanchit somehow Mahim Gantum न सका, भूमि पर गिरने के लिए न गिर सकी, न अशक्नोत महीम गंतुम यत्नमास्थिता, even though she was trying to, hey, I'll jump with more force, with more volume, but na shaknot. Yatnam means prayatnam, endeavor. Even though she was trying her best to fall on earth, na ashaknot. Naiva nirgamanam lebhe, nor could she find a way from. Originally, she wanted to fall directly on the earth, but Shiva took her based on Brahma's suggestion or instructions. He took her on his head. So now, nor is she okay. All right, I fell on Shiva's head, but let me fall from there. Naiva nirgamanam lebhe, nor is she finding an exit from there. Why? Not because she cannot exit. Jata mandala mohita. She sort of got moha, mesmerized with the Jata mandala where she fell. She was headlock. She got mesmerized. Wow. A nice new shape here. And it is Himavat Pratima. It is like, her father's place also. So sort of, she got a little, oh, it's looking like my home. She felt homely there. And so she didn't also, could not, what do you say? She could not quite, she could not quite
find her way out of Jata.
She could not only find her way out, but she also sort of got
Mohita, mesmerized,
lost, felt homely, continued there. She got lost in that, pleasantly lost, because it is Himavat Pratime Jata Mandala Gahware. In the Jata Mandala Mohita, she got mesmerized by the Jata Mandala and she didn't further attempt to exit from there. Ataha naiva nirgamanam lebhe. Nirgamanam lebhe naiva. Nor nor mahim gantum ashaknot. Naiva is like Tatraiva Babhramad Devi.
Tatreva Babhramad Devi.
Samvatsara Ganan Bahun.
Samvatsara Ganan Bahun.
Tam apashyan punastatra.
Tam apashyan punastatra.
Tapah paramamastitaha.
Tapa paramamastitaha.
Tatra eva abhramat Devi. So in that Shiva's lock only, she went on roaming. Shiva abhramat Devi. Samvatsara Ganan Bahun. Several years. Bahun Samvatsara Ganan. Sa Tatraiva abhramat. She was so happily mesmerized and enjoying in that Shiva's Jata Mandala Gahvara. Bahun Samvatsaran. Then, so whereas Bhagiratha is waiting here, Tam apashyan punaha, by looking. So Bhagiratha, knowing that she is wanting to, she left Akasha, Svargaloka, and she has come to Shiva's head. But she's not falling on the earth. I want her here. My very tapas is to do the Udaka Jalakriya for his ancestors. So that very purpose is not solved. Ganga is now happily enjoying in that Jata Mandala Gahvara of Shiva. Himavat Pratime Jata Mandala Gahvare Jata Mandala Mohita Ganga. So Tam apashyan. He's okay. At last she took one step. Punaha tatra tapaha paramamastitaha. Bhagirath again started tapas. I have to get again, I have to get Ganga released from Shiva's head. Those two are fighting and playing. I mean, Shiva also forgot my boon. I wanted, Ganga to come here. Shiva forgot and nicely she's playing on her head, on his head. So I have to bring her. So punaha tatra tapaha, paramam tapaha asthitaha. He again set himself into another intense tapas. Anena toshitaschabhut
अनेन तोषितश्चाभूत्
atyartham raghunandana
अत्यर्थं रघुनन्दन
visasarja tato gangam
विससर्जतो ततो गंगां
bindu sarah prati.
बिन्दुसरः प्रति
Bindu saraf prati. So anena means because of that. Usse means from that or because of that. Anena means because of his tapas. Toshitaha cha abhut. Atyartham toshitaha abhut. So Shiva got very much pleased again. So Shiva is a Bhola Shankar, right? He gets pleased very easily. Of course, Bhagiratha is a good one, but generally. So Atyartham toshitaha. He again got very much pleased, Raghunandana. And so Visasarja, he left, released. Visasarja Gangam Tataha Haraha. So Haraha Tataha Gangam Visasarja. So he left, released Ganga from there. From where? From his Bindusarah Prati. So Bindusaro Nama Himavati Brahma Nirmita Saro Viseshaha. So there is one what do you call lake or one Saraha, one lake, let us say, one pond built by Brahma. Brahma Nirmita Saro Viseshaha, a special, significant pond built by Brahma called Bindusaraha. So he released Ganga, stream into that Bindusaraha, towards that Bindusaraha. Tasyam Visrujyamanayam
तस्यां विसृज्यमानायां
Sapta Srotamsi Jagnire.
सप्त श्रोतांसि जग्निरे.
So in that releasing of, in that small releasing of stream itself, Sapta Srotamsi, 7 tributaries,
streams
Saptasramsi, 7 rivers, Srotamsi Jagnire were born, or it took shape. It took shape of 7, or it split itself into 7 streams from there. Hladini, Pavani Chaiva. Let's all say this, because let us say these names at least. Hladini, Pavani Chaiva.
Hladini, Pavani Chaiva.
Nalini cha tathapara.
Nalini cha tathapara.
Nalini cha tathapara.
Nalini cha tathapara.
Tisrah prachim disham jagmuhu.
Tisrah prachim disham jagmuhu.
Shiva Jala Jagmuhu Ganga Shiva Jala Shubha.
Ganga Shiva Jala Shubha.
So what are the names? Hladini, Pavani, Nalini. So whenever we hear these names, if you hear anybody's name as Nalini, immediately ask her, what does it mean? Whose name is it? Do you know? Let's quiz. Or if you hear Pavani, Pavani we heard even before, right? Because she purifies. So she's Pavani. Hladini. Hladini comes from the root word hlada. Hlada is delight. She gives joy. She gives delight. So Hladini. Ahlada is my daughter's name. Samanta is Ahlada. So Hladini, Pavani Chaiva, Nalini cha tatha apara. Tisraha, these 3. Prachim disham jagmuhu. Those 3 went to the east. Prachim is to the east. Prachim disham jagmuhu. Ganga Shiva Jalaha Shubhaha. Very Shubhaha. welfare giving, or happy giving, happiness giving. Shiva Jalaha, pure streams, pure water bodies. As pure water bodies giving all the happiness, Ganga split and flowed towards east in three names as Hladini, Pavani, Nalini. Continue this. Suchakshuschaiva Sita cha.
Suchakshuschaiva Sita cha.
Sindhuschaiva.
Sindhuschaiva
Mahanadi.
Tisrastveta disham jagmuhu.
Tisrastveta disham jagmuhu.
Pratichim tu shubhodakaha.
Pratichim tu shubhodakaha.
So Prachi is east, Pratichi is west. Pratichim disham. Pratichim disham is towards west. Jagmuhu, they went. Who? What are the names? Suchakshuhu, Sita, Sindhuhu. I'm thinking, if Vikram is there today, he can probably confirm. Suchakshuhu, I'm thinking it must be Satlaj, because of that Satlaj river we say, right? Is a apabhamsha of Suchakshuhu. Huh?
Possible, Bogaji. I'll check.
Vikram, yeah, you are there. Okay, good. Yeah.
I'll check that.
Yeah,
Yeah, one more thing also I wanted to say is, instead of happiness, it is probably auspiciousness, right? Shiva.
Auspicious. Shubha is auspicious. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, yeah, correct. Auspicious. Shubhaha. Shiva Jalaha, Ganga. So auspiciously, three of them, Hladini, Pavani, Nalini, they went towards the east. And Sindhu Sagar, we say, Sindhu river, Sindhu Nadi, Sita. I did not know this Nadi name before. And Suchakshuhu must be Satlaj, because these three went to the west. They are in our northwest, current Pakistan, etc. we say, right? So they went to the west. Again, auspicious rivers. So 6 tributaries we have seen. And this is exactly Saptami Chanvagat Tasam.
Saptami Chanvagat Tasam.
Bhagiratham Athon Rupam.
Bhagiratham Athon Rupam.
Atha. Now 3 went to the east, 3 went to the west. And as the 7th remaining form, Saptami Tasam, of the 7, the 7th one, 7th one followed Bhagiratha. Nrupam. The 7th one followed the king Bhagiratha. Bhagirathopi Rajarshihi.
Bhagirathopi Rajarshihi.
Divyam Syandanamastitaha.
Divyam Syandanamastitaha.
Prayadagre Mahateja.
Prayadagre Mahateja.
Gangatam Chapyanuvrajat.
Gangatam Chapyanuvrajat. Vrajatam.
Gangatam Chapyanuvrajat. So Bhagiratha Rajarshihi. Just give me a moment. Lavanya, ఈ ఫోన్ నాకు తీసుకో, ఇక్కడ చాలా కాల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, సో ఈస్ కమింగ్. వస్తున్నాడా? సరేనమ్మా, ఈ కాల్ నా ఫోన్ తీసుకోండి. కాల్ నా ఫోన్ తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ.
మ్యూట్ లో లేరు.
ఓ సారీ మ్యూట్. I only paused. I thought I have muted it. We went to Madhavi Kasamji's birthday party. We returned back and realized we are locked out. So our bedroom was locked. So we slept downstairs only. And so we've been trying to call locksmiths, and all calls are coming to my phone. And so I'm asking her to take my phone and answer them. So yeah, first time we got locked.
But
log.
simple lock ఉంటుంది కదా Bhogaji. It must be it's not like key and lock, no?
It's a key
Oh, okay.
lock. Yeah, key lock.
Even for
She
bedroom
was
it is
trying
like,
to.
yeah. Bedroom maybe then locksmith might be required. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, sorry. That is why that interruption. Bhagiratha api Rajarshihi Divyam Syandanam Asthitaha. Syandanam. In the very second adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's entry will be so grand.
Ratham.
Visual. Swetair Hayair Yuktaihi. Divyam Syandanamastitaha. That's how Krishna's entry will be shown in Bhagavad Gita. Syandanam is the Ratha. Ratham. In the Divyam, divine, great, grand vehicle. Syandanam Asthitaha. Sitting in that. Bhagirataha Rajarshihi Divyam Syandanam Asthitaha. Prayat Agre. He was driving in the front. He was driving and api anuvrajat. As he was driving forward, Ganga was following him. That Ganga which was released into Bindusaraha, from there all these 6 tributaries went, 3 to the east, 3 to the west, and the 7th one was following Ganga, was following Bhagiratha as he was driving in that Divya Syandanam. So here what they say is the Tripathaga of Ganga is by function, by geography, by what do you call, by directions, in various dimensions, we are able to define Tripathaga. So Tripathaga, one we said, is by function. The first function, she served the purpose of the gods. Second one was she served the purpose of giving birth to Kartikeya. And the third one was, of course, to come for Bhagiratha. That is 3 functions, purposes based Tripatha Gami, Tripathaga. Now, second one being said here is Svargakasha Bhumi Gamanat Tripathagatvam Ityeke. So another definition is Svarga Akasha Bhumi Gamanam. So those are the 3 different stages or 3 different milestones or 3 different paths. Svarga Akasha Bhumi. So based on those 3 also, Tripathagami. Diktraya Gamanadityapare. Because she went in 3 directions. 3 went to the east, 3 went to the west, and the 7th one went following Bhagiratha. So these are also based on the 3 dik, based on the 3 directions she went in. Also, she is called Tripathagami, Tripathaga. So that's how another definition, and another 2 definitions of Tripatha given here. Gaganat Shankara Shiras Tato.
Gagana Shankara Tato.
Dharana Mishrita. Vyasarpata Jalam Tatra. Tivra Shabda Puraskritam. So Gaganat Shankara Shiraha. Tataha Dharani Mashrita. So from again poetic narrations now. Gaganat, from Akasha, Shankara, to head of Shira, Shankara. Tataha Dharani Mashrita, from there she fell to earth. Vyasarpata Jalam, Vyasarpata is released or, flowing in lively shapes. So different curved shapes and all that she takes. Vyasarpata Jalam Tatra. Tivra Shabda Paraskrutam, with intense sound. I mean, we can hear the waterfall sounds, right? So imagine Akasha Ganga fall, how intense would that sound be? So Tivra Shabda Puraskritam, with that huge intense sound. So now the visual starts from here. Imagine an aquarium kind of a video from here. Matsya Kachapa Sanghaischa
Matsya Kacha Pasangaischa
Simshumara Ganaistada
Shimshumara Ganaistada
Patadbhih Patitaischanyaihi
Patabdi Patitais Chanye
Vyarochata Vasundhara
Vyaro
Chata
Shata Rochata
Vyarochata Vasundhara.
Vyarochata Vasundara.
So Matsya, fishes, Kachapa, tortoises, Sanghaischa, with several groups of, with several numbers of several species of fishes, tortoises, Simshumara Ganaistada. Simshumara is a crocodile, reptiles kind of things. Shimshumara, alligators, crocodiles, etc. Ganaistada, Patadbhihi, by all of them also falling along with Ganga. When she was up, in Swargaloka, probably all those, that aquarium kind of materials, bodies were there. Now all of them are falling with Ganga. So imagine you're looking at that waterfall and boom, 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 all the fishes are falling with it, all the turtles are falling with it, all alligators, crocodiles are falling with it. Patadbhihi, Patitaicha, along with those that are still falling, Patadbhihi, continuous tense, present tense. Patitaihi, already those who have fallen on the earth. Patitaischa, Anyaihi, along with the others which have already fell and are living on the earth. Vasundhara Vyarochata. Vasundhara, the earth looked so beautiful now. So variety, beautiful she looked. Vyarochata. Tato Devarshi Gandharvaha.
Tato Devarshi Gandharva.
Yaksha Siddhaganastada.
Yaksha Siddhaganastada.
Vyalokayantate Tatra.
Vyalokayantate Tatra.
Gaganat Gangam Gatam Tatha.
Gaganat Ganga Gatam Tata.
Gaganat Gangam Gatam Tatha. I forgot that prasa name. There is one prasa. Prasa, same letter repeating several times is another alankara, is another beauty of poetry. Gaganat Gangam Gatam Tatha. Gaganat Gangam Gatam Tatha. So as this is falling, as I was saying, right? Did we all imagine that visual, that fall? And you can see along with that fall, all the fishes, the turtles, all various aqua beings, the alligators, etc., reptiles, all of them falling. And you can see them on the sky. Some have already fallen on the earth. So to see that beauty, just like if there is a rainbow, we all go out and see, or if it's beautiful sun or that eclipse, 2018 eclipse, right? All of us in Atlanta, we went out taking those glasses and we were watching as if, right? So also, Tataha Devarshi Gandharvaha, Deva, Rishi, Gandharvaha, Yakshaha, Siddhaganaha, all these various clans of divine bodies or divine beings, Vyalokayanta, vi alokayanta, Visheshena alok, lokanam, lochanam is to see. They all were watching. Wow, what a beautiful day today, with all these aqua bodies with her. Vyalokayantate tatra Ganga, Gaganat Gangam Gatam, from that Ganga which fell and leaving and going on from Akasha to the earth, to the sea. So they were all watching it. How were they watching? From where all? Just like we did, right? We all came out. Some went into parking lot. Some went into the terrace of the building. right? Into various places we went to watch. So also, Vimanair Nagarakaraihi.
Bhogaji, in English, this would be called alliteration. Gangam, Gangam, Gaganat, Gatam, Tatha.
What will it be called?
The Ga sound repeating would be called alliteration.
Anuprasa Alankar.
Anuprasa only, but there is a special name for that Anuprasa. I forgot that.
Yeah, there are two types. Yes.
The same letter repeating multiple times. There is Vishesha Anuprasa. I forgot that prasa name. Yeah, alliteration in English. Yes. Okay. Good. Yeah. So how were they watching? From where all were they watching? Nagarakaraihi Vimanaihi. From various Vimana, helicopter rides people have taken. And but what are not small helicopters? Nagarakaraihi, as huge as a nagara, like a town. That means thousands and thousands of them were standing on it and watching from sky. Vimanaihi Nagarakaraihi. And some, those who could not afford a helicopter ride, they took, they hiked on their own and watched from there. Hayaihi. Haya is horse. So some of them took their horses and they climbed up to see from the peak. Oh, wow, how is it falling and all. So some, those who could afford a big, big ticket, they took the Vimana helicopter ride. Others took Haya. Some took Gaja. Gaja Varaihi, that too, the best Gaja. Some could afford only $100. Those who could have thousands or 10,000s took the helicopter ride. Those who had their own bikes, they went on their horses. Others took, like $100 rides on Varagaja, best elephants. Varagaja is tada. Pariplavagatais chapi. Oh, did we read this sloka or am I directly saying it? We didn't read it. Huh? Let's read once. We didn't read it. Okay, let's say it once. Vimanair Nagara. Quickly, anybody.
Vimanair Nagarakarai.
Hayair Gajavarais tada.
Hayai Gajavarais tada.
Pariplavagatais chapi.
Pariplavagatais chapi.
Devatas tatra vishtitaha.
Devatas tatra vishtitaha.
So some took the Vimanas, some took Hayas, some took Gajavaraha, meaning the best of the elephants or Gajas, elephants. And Pariplavagatais chapi. Pariplavam. Plavam is, it can be fly, it can be flow. Both FLY, FLOW. Fly, flow is Plava. In fact, fla, see the etymology, the root. Fly, flow, they come from Plava. Plavamana, Plava. This year's name is Plava. Plavanama Samvatsare. Right? So it is anything about moving, flying, moving on earth, floating, float, all come from Plava. So Pariplava, all around floating, all around flying. So some took these rowing boats kind of a thing. They took what is it?
Kayak.
Kanoki? What is it? Kayak. Some took kayaking. And so all people came out to watch this beautiful visual, beautiful scene that day. Pariplavagatais chapi devataha tatra vishtitaha. Even gods have come in these various means of vehicles at different heights to watch the fall of Ganga. Tad adbhutatamam loke.
Tad adbhutatamam loke.
Ganga patanamuttamam.
Ganga patanamuttamam.
Didrukshavo devaganaha.
Didrukshavo devaganaha.
Samiyuramitojasaha.
Samiyuramitojasaha.
So tad adbhutatamam. Tara is tar. Tama is ist. Better, best. Adbhutatamam loke, the best ever in the world. Uttamam Ganga Patanam. the great fall of that Ganga, Didrukshavaha Devaganaha, Devaganaha, Didrukshavaha, they were watching. Didrukshavaha, like Vivaksha, we said, right? We are currently doing Vivaksha. Vaktum Icha Vivaksha. Drashtum. Huh?
Icharthak pratyay.
Ichartham pratyaya, correct. Ichartha pratyaya. Vaktum Icha is Vivaksha. Drashtum Icha is Didruksha. Those who want to do Vivaksha is Vivakshu. Bahuvachanam Vivakshavaha. Those who want to see is Didrukshu. Bahuvachanam Didrukshavaha. Devaganaha Didrukshavaha. All the gods were wanting to see it, were desirous of seeing it. Wow. They forgot their jobs. Everybody came out for this. Didrukshavaha. Samiyuhu Amitaujasaha. Samiyuhu means Savahanebhyaha. Each god has their own vehicle, right? Kartikeya has his Mayura, Ganesha has his Mushika, Shiva has Vrishabha, and so on, so on. Each one has their own vehicles, right? Even Shani has Kaka, crow, and so on. So everybody, Swasva Vahanebhyaha is Samiyuhu. Samiyuhu Amitaujasaha. All those great, powerful gods have come on their own vehicles to watch this. Sampatadbhihi Suraganaihi.
Sampatadbhihi Suraganaihi.
Tesham Chabharanaujasa.
Tesham Chabharanaujasa.
Shatadityamiva bhati.
Shatadityamiva bhati.
Gaganam gatato yadam.
Gaganam gatato yadam.
So, Sampatadbhihi, Samyak Patadbhihi, nicely following that that scene. Just give me a second. So Samyak Patadbhihi, by that fall of by this grand fall, Suraganaihi Tesham Cha Abharanaujasa, along with all their respective Abharanas, well decorated, well dressed up. All gods have well dressed up. And when they all have come out in their own vehicles, Gaganam Shatadityam, Shata Aditya, with one sun itself, how does the sky glow with light? And if there are hundreds such suns, hundreds of suns, I mean, what will be the glow? Because all gods have come. And we said, right, when we last time we read Trayastrimshad the Gana Devataha. What were they? We said 11 Adityas among them. Dvadasha Rudraha. So Ekadash Adityaha. And now Shatadityaha, if they come, how will the Gaganam be with this waterfall? Because everyone came out to watch it. So Shatadityam, hundreds of suns. Abhati, bhati is, it was glowing like. Gaganam was glowing. Gata toyadam, with the toya is water. With that fall, water that is falling, that was leaving from Akasha and onto earth, the sky was glowing as if there were hundreds of suns in the sky. Simshumaroraga ganai.
Shumshumaroga.
Minairapi cha chanchalaihi.
Nairairapi chanchalaihi.
Vidyudbhiriva vikshiptam.
Vidyudbhiriva vikshiptam.
Akasham abhavat tada.
Akasham abhavat tada.
with the Simshumara Ganaihi, with all these crocodiles and other bodies that were falling, right? With all the fishes, goldfish, all those colorful fishes that were falling. Meenaihi api chanchalaihi. As they are falling, they don't fall like ordinary bodies, right? They'll be doing all this flippering. So with all that flippering and all, the way Akasha looked was Vidyut Bhihi, with several thunder and lightning strikes. Akasha Vikshiptam with Vidyut Bhihi. So the sun looked like the sky looked like several lightning strikes with all these things happening. So imagine the beautiful visual of the waterfall. And that is how we should describe Ganga as when we tell others, I mean, with those who are interested. They say, right, if somebody doesn't want to drink, you can never help that poor fellow. But if anyone has any small interest towards our things, we should share it. That is Ganga. Do you know the best Ganga? What is the best waterfall? We should ask the kids in quizzes. Oh, Niagara. Anything else? Any better fall in the world? There is one Victoria Falls in South Africa. Hey, have you ever seen Ganga waterfall? Akasha Ganga. Where is that? I'll tell you now. You can see. Close your eyes and start listening and start narrating that. Then let them see that Akasha Ganga fall. Then they can never find such a beautiful fall. So that is sufficient. That is sufficient. If they cannot find such a great fall ever again, and then Akasha Ganga is the best, whether they can see it or not physically. So Simshumara Ganair Minair Apicha Chanchalaihi Vidyudbhiriva Vikshiptam Akashama Bhavat Tada Pandarai Salilotpidaihi Kiryamanai Sahasradha Sharadabhrairivakirnam Gaganam Hamsa Samplavaihi Pandaraihi Salilotpidaihi. So how did the further sky look like? Lot more. In fact, I'm wondering if this is, anyway, no wonder. Let us continue enjoying it. So Salilotpidaihi Pandaraihi. Pandaraihi is Shvetaihi. Salila Utpidaihi. Salilotpidaihi means Salila Utpida. Pida is pressure. Salila is water. With water, as it is falling because of that pressure, what can you see? If water falls with such a heavy pressure, what do we see? Utpidanam. When it falls and with pressure, when it jumps up, you will see foam. So that foam, or what is it called? Foam only, right? So that is called Fenaihi. Salilotpidaihi means Fenaihi, as you see here, right? In the Phenakam, that is why we say soap as Phenakam, because it gives you that foam. So Fenaihi, Salilotpidaihi. So as it was falling, there was nice foam and all that, the white foam that was jumping up back. Kiryamanaihi Sahasradha, thousands of such. As it falls and jumps up, that waves looking like foam is a Sahasradha Salilotpidaihi. With all this, how did Gaganam further look like? Previously, it looked like thunders, lightning strikes. Now, Gaganam Hamsa Samplavaihi, with lots of Hamsa, swans. I mean, swan is not Hamsa, but closest word. Hamsa Samplavaihi, nicely flying swans. Gaganam Sharadabhraihi Iva Akirnam. The Gaganam was filled with Sharadabhra, Sharat Rutu, the cloudy, wet cloud of Sharat Kala, because in Sharat Kala there are rains, but they are not like in rainy season. Rainy season rains are, pouring downpour and sometimes even irritating. But in Sharat Kala, recently last night, no, day before last night, there was nice rain here in Atlanta. Sharat Kala clouds are neither too dark nor pure white smoky. They are nicely, you can see that they are filled with water. And so that a beautiful cloud is called Sharat Abhra. Abhra is cloud. Sharadabhra of Sharat Kala. Sharadabhraihi iva gaganam akiranam. With all these swans flying. Kvachid dhrutataram yati.
Yati.
Kutilam kvachidayatam.
Kutilam kachidayatam.
Vinatam kvachidudbhutam.
Vinatam kachidadbhutam.
Kvachidyati shanai shanai.
Kachidati shanai shanai.
So how is the flow of the Ganga? The speed of Ganga is being described now. Kvachid drutataram. Some places you will see water. Like if we seen, where did we go? The Risha near
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, near the bridge, it will be falling like so much of flow. I mean, with so much speed and velocity, as if, if you stand, you will fall. So much of flow. That is called Drutataram. Drutam is speed. Even in Hindustani tal, tabla, they say, Vidruta tal. Faster. Mandalgati, Drutatal. So Drutataram, faster pace. Kvachid, some places. At some places going very fast. Yati, moves. Kutilam kvachid yatam. Some places, kutilam means hiding. I can't, let me escape. Kutila is a lazy fellow wanting to run away from work and all, right? Aaj nahi aa sakta hoon ji, aaj busy hoon. So that is Kutila. He can come, he just doesn't want to come that day. So Kutila, kvachit yatam. Some places, enough here, I'm tired, thoda rest lunga. So some places runs, some places she's going slow. Vinatam kvachidudbhutam. Some places it was seeming like she was following you, or she vinatam, as if she's what do you say, docile, humble. So it is falling some places down, but sort of very humbly, not thunderous fall. It's nice. Vinatam kvachitudbhutam. Kvachid yati shanaihi shanaihi. Some places very slowly, no sound, very calm, serene, it goes. So Ganga is flowing in different such speeds. At different places, you see her differently. Salile naiva salilam kvachit.
Salile naiva salilam kachit.
Abhyahatam punaha.
Abhyahatam punaha.
Muhur muhururdhvamukham gatva.
Muhururdhvamukham gatva.
Papata vasudhatalam.
Papata vasudhatalam.
So salile naiva salilam kvachid abhyahatam. So imagine this water hitting water, meaning water is falling like this. It raises up and hits back itself. That is abhyahata. Hata is hitting. So water is falling, raising, boom, as if the tide is hitting itself. Salile naiva salilam kvachit abhyahatam punaha. Some places muhur urdhva mukham. It falls and raises up. Urdhva mukham gatva papata vasudhatalam. Again it will go up and fall. So the wavy structure or the wavy shape, like waves, how it was taking wave form, is being described in this shloka. Tat shankara shiro bhrashtam.
Tat shankara shiro bhrashtam.
Bhrashtam bhumitale punah.
Bhrashtam bhumitale punah.
Vyarochata tada. Vyarochata tada toyam.
Vyarochata tada toyam.
Nirmalam gatakalmasham.
Nirmalam gatakalmasham.
From this shloka, probably this Tat Shankara Shiro Bhrashtam. From Shankara it fell down. Bhrashtam is actually fall. Fall as in the negative sense. How he fell. Kaise patana gira. Gir gaya. Yoga Bhrashta Parantapa. Arjuna also asks, what if I forget? What if I cannot fulfill all this knowledge that you gave me? Then I become useless fellow. Yoga Bhrashta. So then he says, don't worry, wherever you stop, that is where you start your next life from. Krishna answers in Bhagavad Gita, or Bhagavan answers. So, Tat Shankara Shiro Bhrashtam. For those who know Telugu, in fact, I could not find the Bhartruhari Shloka, original Sanskrit Shloka. Telugu nicely translated. And we Akasham Budanundi Shambhuni Shiram Bandundi Sitadri Sushlokam Baina Himadri Nundi Bhuvi Bhulokambunandundi Astokambudhi Payodhinundi Pavanandholo Kamunjere Ganga Kulankasha Pikku Bhangul Viveka Bhrashta Sampatamul. It's a Niti Shloka which says how some people, if they are not conscious, how great people, how even great people, if they are not conscious, how they would fall like Ganga. They say, from Akasha to Shiva's head, from there to Himadri, from there to the earth, from there to
Patala.
To Patala Loka. How people fall step after step after step if they are not conscious, if they are arrogant, etc. To tell that Niti Shloka, Bhartruhari Niti translated in Telugu as this Padyam. I could not find the original Sanskrit Shloka, but that is coming from this Shloka. Tat Shankara Shiro Bhrashtam, Bhrashtam Bhumitale Punaha. But here, this is all beautiful. It is not in negative sense. Vyarochata tada toyam nirmalam gatakalmasham. Because of various stages that she has taken, in a way, it is like various stages of filtration. Imagine it is coming from first stage of filtration to the second plant of filtering to the third plant, so on. Finally, nirmalam gata kalmasham. Nirmal gata kalmasha, removed of or devoid of sins. Gata kalmasham nirmalam toyam tada vyarochata. With so many levels of falls. In fact, here it is a very positive sense, whereas Bhartruhari takes it in the negative sense of how one falls in a negative sense. Here the fall is more of the positive sense of filtering, falling from one plant to the other plant to the other filtering plant, that finally it became pure and a purifier. How is actually 41 shlokas, which means another 15 shlokas. Can we take another 25 minutes and or 15 minutes? We'll try to jump quickly and complete, or should we, postpone it to the next session?
Next session, Bhogaji, if from my
next session, 8:40. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll probably logically, most of the visual part of it is now over. After this, after a few shlokas, it will come back to the story part of it again. But hope you all enjoyed the visual of the Ganga, how we can narrate it. I don't have very good English vocabulary, but try to do vivaksha.
No, in fact, Bhogaji, I wanted it next session because the description was so good. I don't want to miss out. Go rush through the rest of it if there is more description coming.
So you also do vivaksha. You practice. How can you narrate? Read these shlokas again and see how you can narrate the Ganga, Akasha Ganga fall to other kids, and like a nice narrated story. Let them fall into that visualization and enjoy it, relish it. Anybody has any comments to say?
If the Bahubali director Rajmouli listens to this, possibly he'll create a movie out of it.
Yeah.
Bhogaji, so Anuprasa, Chek Anuprasa and Chek is only repetition one time.
Correct.
Bhuvaram astita tasti Vrityanuprasa.
Vrityanuprasa, correct. Vrityanuprasa, Chekanuprasa, correct. Vrityanuprasa. Correct. Gaganath Ganga. Gaganath Ganga Gatam Tada. Very good. Let me stop sharing here. Any other comments? Any questions? Anybody has anything to add?
Bhogaji, there is some kind of Kamandalu thing also. She goes into the Kamandalu of Shiva or something like that. That was not mentioned here at all. So is that
not Kamandalu? No, it's only from her. Here, the next stage of the seventh tributary, which is actually what we are now seeing, which is following Bhagiratha. How she gets the name Janhavi. That incident also will be there in the next few slokas. Janhu is the Rishi, where he's doing his Yajamanasya Janho, of the one who is performing the Yajna is Yajaman. Of that Yajaman, she goes and she floods his Yajna Vedi. And we'll see the next session.
So then
But it doesn't get into Shiva's Kamandalu. No.
some Kamandalu? I don't know Shiva's Kamandalu or not, but yeah.
What I have heard is
Goes into Janhavi. She goes to Janhu Yajna Vedika. Somebody saying something?
Yeah, Bhogaji. So what I had heard is she starts off from Brahmaji's Kamandala or something. From there.
That is in the Vaishnava story. So there is another story told in the Vaishnava Sampradaya also, right? That she falls. Where does Ganga fall from? From Vishnu's Pada. So from Vishnu's Pada, she comes to Brahma's Kamandalu, and also that is also another narration told in the Vaishnava Sampradaya also. That's how Srirangji would have probably heard it. Correct.
Yeah.
And
And I think
Annamacharya writes a lot about it.
Yeah.
Brahma Kadigida Padamu.
Yeah. And one more thing is also the Kamandalu reference is actually the Jambu Rishi, right? He takes because it's destroying his area, he just pulls it in the Kamandalu and stores it. Is what
No, Sa Pitavan.
No? Yeah. Kamandalu is actually Agastya Rishi. Actually.
You disturb my yajna. He drinks her.
Yeah.
And then, but God's come and say, come on, be. So he will treat her as his daughter, and he leaves it from his ear.
Yeah, that's why we do pranayama and touch that ear, no, every time the right side. So we believe, the Ganga resides in the right side of the ear.
Correct. So now that she comes out of Janhu's ear, so she is like daughter of Janhu. And so again, the same Tadhitantam we said, right? Janaka's daughter is?
Janaki.
Janhu's daughter will be?
Janvi.
But here, because it is ending in U, there is a Va that comes. Guru, Gurava, Hari, Haraya. If it is ending in E, then it will be Ya. Like Vishnu is Vaishnavi. So Ukara and the ending will add another Vakara. So Janhu is Janhavi. Normally we would think Janhi, but it will be Janhavi. So how she gets that name Janhavi is all described in the next set of slokas. And following that will be, another great stories that are coming up. Stories as in, again, don't think stories as in like his story, right? Our stories, history. Okay. Somebody say Mangal Shloka. We'll stop recording. After that, we can discuss if required. Srivatsa ji, आप भी Mangal Shloka बोलिए.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.